Alright, so today I don't have any videos on the stock market or nothing that I want to show you right now, but I do want to show you the bike I was riding that didn't really make it. But I did like riding it and doing the stock updates at the same time. So, ordered a bunch of parts. My MCL's torn. My ankle's got all sorts of weird stuff going on, like ligaments and stuff. But I don't see the doctor until Tuesday, so maybe he's wrong. So anyway, on that point, I'm going to flip it around and show you what I've been working on the bike, which is really hard because to get down on the ground when all your leg stuff's broken. Yeah. Anyway, still been doing it. All right, I'm going to flip you around. For those who don't remember, it means turn the camera around. All right. So here's the old PC800. You can see I have the trunk up. PC for Pacific Coast, in case you didn't know that. Just for grins, I gotta show you this trunk. It is so cool. You can literally fit 2 cases of beer in this thing. So awesome. Anyway, but had a little crash. So I got a lot of plastic off of it. Here's the, probably the worst of it. The plastic didn't take it as bad, but that's the crash bar on the side of the bike that's hidden under the plastic. If you look at it, that's this part here. I found one on eBay for 17 bucks. Hoped it wasn't bent like mine. But so far it's lining up. I can usually tell right away by, if you look, that's right there, right where you put a screw in. But again, oh, she looks real naked on this side with all the plastic off. But I think I can get this all back together in a week or so. That's the cool part. I mean, the bike still seems to run good. This is what it looks like on a side that has all the plastic on it. Well, almost. You can see I got one piece off, but anyway. So, really wasn't a very important update. I was just, for those of you that cared about what the bike and if I'm okay and all that. And so I think I can fix the bike. Feel pretty good. Ankle hurts a little bit in the knee and the MCL area. Maybe they just put a Band-Aid on it. Oh, if anybody wants to buy a mule, let me flip the camera. Got a real nice Kawasaki mule here. I think they go for like $4 grand right now. But I'd probably let her go for $3,500. Not all the stuff in the back. That's parts of this bike. Anyway, just funnin'. Anybody wants a mule, let me know. Anybody wants to ride my Honda Pacific Coast, I wouldn't recommend it. Seem to crash it a lot. Actually, I could probably shut her up. You see my Desert Storm stickers on the back. But yep, naked side. Woo! Not naked side. And I think I can fix that pretty quick. It's just hard with my leg because I gotta sit down to do it. So using like a seat thing with rollers, but then I usually have to go in and take a break because the doctor only gave me 14 pain pills, and I only took one a day, even though they said you can take one every 4 hours. I knew that the VA would screw up and not get me in time, so it's been over 10 days since I was in the ER to see a knee specialist. So normally when you go to the hospital as a regular human that has insurance, the same day you're in there to the orthopedics guy. But with the VA, same day or 10 days. Probably 10 days. And actually, I'm not complaining about 10 days because often I fought so hard with the VA and I never even got it. And so I'm lucky to have. And I'm also kind of lucky I freaking don't hurt quite as much, which is a good sign, especially since I'm not taking pain pills and I can't be sure. If you're taking pain pills, you're like, I feel good. But that's the pain pills. I only take one to get up in the morning because I can't put weight on it from laying in bed all day. Other than that, that's all I take. Anyway, so 1990 Honda Pacific Coast Sorry, it looks like my camera needs to be cleaned off a little bit. But that baby's going to be back on the road, and I think I'll be riding it soon. So, if you can do me one generous thing, hit the subscribe button. I don't even care if you never watch another video. If you hit the subscribe button, hitting like I think helps, hitting comments I think helps. But honestly, the way they seem to measure things is subscribe and the amount of hours watched. So even if you don't watch the whole 5 minutes of this, maybe just let it run in the background. You know, go get some lunch or something. Go pet the cat. I don't care. If you do want to buy this mule, I know it looks kind of rough because I got shit piled all in it, but it's actually really good and it runs really good. I thought I'd use it at camp and I never did, so it's just in the middle of my garage. And that's got to stop. All right, I got to go. All right, bye.